explain why organizing your vault with workspaces is important. So I just finished showing how to use graphs, and now I have two panes open. I have tags, I have a list of my notes, and it's a little confusing. Workspaces allow you to move back to your original pane configuration without closing a bunch of panes manually every time. So in order to do that, you have to turn on Workspaces first. So you go to Settings. It's a core plugin. Should be someplace here. Yeah, and you turn Workspaces on. And it allows you to save and load your workspace layout. So now, for example, I would like to have one pane for the note, one pane for a graph for that note, so they're linked now, so I have that. And I would also like to see backlinks. I turn on backlinks pane, but I don't want to see it here. I want to move it underneath my graph. That is also possible. So now I have a configuration that I like, and I would like to see it every time I open my vault. So in order to save it, we go to Manage Workspaces, which just appeared because we turned it on. And I name it Note Entry. And I save it. So now, say I accidentally closed a bunch of panes and I want to go back, I just go to Manage Workspaces and I load that workspace and everything's there. But say I want to change my configuration and I want to save it under the same name. That's also very easy. So if I decide that I want my backlinks right here instead of on the right, and this is what I want finally every time I open my vault, I can save it by just typing the exact same title. So next time, say I have backlinks here and I want to go back, I just load that workspace and now I'm back to where I'm supposed to be. And you can do as many workspaces as you like. For example, the general graph view is best viewed without any other panes open. So I can just create global graph workspace, and then every time I want to see it, I will just load it. You can create spaces for writing, you can create spaces for comparing notes when two notes are side by side. It's really infinite and it's very easy to go back to them if you save them as separate workspaces.